In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to blur a car license plate using the pen tool and Gaussian blur. This is very useful when you want to protect someone's privacy in travel videos, street footage, or parking recordings. Let's start. First, place your clip on the timeline and select it. Now go to the Effect Controls panel, select the pen tool, click and hold on it if needed, and then draw an outline around the license plate on the program monitor. Make sure the mask fully covers the number plate area. Once the mask is created, you'll see tracking options in the Effect Controls panel. Click the Track Forward button and let Premiere track the license plate throughout the clip. Wait until the tracking is complete. Now go to the Effects panel and search for Gaussian blur. Drag and drop the Gaussian blur effect onto your clip. Next, in the Effect Controls panel, you'll see the mask under Unassigned Mask. Drag that mask and drop it directly onto the Gaussian blur effect. Now increase the blurriness value until the license plate becomes unreadable. If needed, slightly increase the mask feather so the blur blends more naturally with the surrounding area. Play the video and make sure the blur follows the license plate smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully blurred a moving car license plate using mask tracking and Gaussian blur in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.